Hello student, welcome to class. Today we are going to discuss about of all exercises, chapter of second and chapter name is Our Body Needs Food. Firstly, we have learned something about our food. We all know we use our body from a number of activities and movements like as we work and play. So, our body need energy and strength. We get energy and strength from the food we eat. Food is very important to us. We need food to live and grow. Without food and water, we cannot live. So, food is very important to us. Firstly, we know something word meaning of this chapter energy. First word meaning of this chapter energy. What is the energy? Energy means the power to do work. Energy means power. The power to do work. Like as play, run, catch, and different types work. Write, read, think. Okay? Second, vegetarian. Vegetarians means a person who does not eat meat, fish, and eggs. These types of people vegetarians. Non-vegetarians, a person who eats meat, fish or eggs. These peoples are non-vegetarians. Okay? Vegetarian peoples not eat meat, fish and eggs, but non-vegetarians people eat meat, fish or eggs. Next, meal. Meal means an occasion when food is eaten actually at fixed times of the day, such as breakfast, lunch and dinner. Also the food eaten during such occasion raw. Raw means not cooked. Like fruits, some vegetables and dry fruits. These are raw materials. Okay? Come on the first exercises. First, question type is fill in the blanks. First, dash and dash are body building foods. Student, tell me two body building foods. They are given some body building foods: milk, meat, eggs and pulses. These are body building foods. Okay, come on the question. Milk and fish, eggs, meat, pulses, वगैरह वगैरह. Okay? Milk and fish are body building foods. Second, dash and are two example of milk product. Milk product. First, curd. Curd. And second, cheese. These are two example of milk product. Okay? Third question, dash and dash are protective food. Protective food Vegetables and food. Vegetable and fruit are protective food. So you write here vegetables and fruits. These are protective food. Fourth, the food eaten between two proper meals is called a snack. Snack. This is a small meal and light meal. Mostly we eat snack meal in evening time with tea. Question number 5. Dash and dash are two food that can be eaten raw. First, fruits. Okay? Fruits. All fruit we eat, we can be eaten raw. And next, almond. Almond. Okay? First, fruit. Yeah, apple, almond. Two food item that can be eaten raw. Okay. Question number 2. Mark the following sentence as true or false. Question number 2. Question type is true or false. First, sugar is a body building food. Sugar is a body building food. That is true or false? False. Because sugar is a energy giving food. Sugar is a energy giving food, not body building food. Okay? First question is false. Second, fruit protects us from disease. Yes. Second question is true. Fruit protects us from disease. Because fruit is a protective food item. So question number 2 is true. Question number 3. Vegetables makes our teeth stronger. Vegetables makes our teeth stronger? No. Milk. Milk makes our teeth stronger. Milk and milk product like as curd, paneer and cheese makes our bones and teeth stronger. Some vegetables are most important from teeth but not all vegetables. So third question is false. Okay. Question number 4. Dinner is the first meal of the day. No, this is wrong. Because breakfast is the first meal of the day. Dinner, we have take dinner at night. So question number 4 is wrong. This is false. Come on, the question number 5. We can eat lentils raw. No. We can eat lentils cooked, not raw. So question number 5 is false. 5 is false. Student, look at the question number 3. Question type is answer the following question. They are given some question and we solve answer of this question. Okay. First question. Why do we need food? Your answer is we need food because it gives us energy, help us grow and protect us from disease. We need food because it gives us energy, help us grow and protect us from disease. So food is very necessary for us. Second question. What are the 3 main types of food? What is the importance of each? Student, 3 types. There are 3 main types of food. First, energy giving food. Second, body building foods. Third, protective foods. First, energy giving food. Second, body building foods. And third, protective food. This food type is a balanced type food. So it is very important for us because these meals makes us strong and help us grow and protect from disease. So, 3 main type of food is compulsory for everyone. Question number 3. What is the difference between vegetarian and non-vegetarian? The main difference between vegetarian and non-vegetarian is vegetarian people do not eat fish, eggs and meat. But non-vegetarian people eat meat, fish and eggs. This is main difference. Okay. Question number 4. Student, look here. Vegetarian people who eat only fruit, vegetable, grain and milk products are called vegetarian, but non-vegetarian people non-vegetarian people who eat fruit, vegetable, grains, milk products, eggs, fish and meat are called non-vegetarian. This is main difference. Vegetarian people not eat meat, but non-vegetarian eat also this food item like as eggs, fish and meat. Okay, come on the next question. Question number 4. What are the 3 main meals that we eat in a day? Write briefly about each. First, breakfast. Student, first meal is breakfast. We have breakfast in the morning. It is the first meal of the day. Breakfast should be light but filling. Second meal, lunch. In the afternoon, we have lunch. At night, we have dinner. This should be the smallest meal of the day and we should have it well before going to bed. Okay? There are 3 main meals. First, breakfast. Second, lunch. And for dinner. Okay? Question number 5. What is a balanced meal? Why should we eat balanced meals? Student, what's the balanced meal? Why should we eat balanced meal? Okay, your answer is here. A balanced diet is a diet that provided all the essential nutrients to the body. We should eat all these types of food in right quantity. All types of food means energy giving food, body building food and protective food. Okay. A balanced meal includes different kinds of food. Along with the food, we should drink plenty of water to stay healthy. Student, balanced food means a balanced meal includes different kinds of food. A balanced meal keeps us healthy. We should eat always balanced food because it keeps us healthy, makes us strong, help us grow and protect us from disease. Okay. Question number 3 is completed and come on the question number 4. Question type is choose the correct answer. Question type is choose the correct answer. First, potatoes. First question, potatoes. Protect us from disease, make us grow, give energy. Which option is right? A, B or C? Option C is right because potato is a energy giving food. So, option C is right. Okay. Question number 2. Look at the question number 2. Milk products give us energy, makes our bones and teeth strong from a balanced diet. Option number B is right. Milk product makes our bones and strong teeth. Milk is a body building food item. Okay, so option number B is right. Question number 3. People actually had eggs and bread for breakfast, lunch, dinner. Student, A option is right because eggs and bread is a popular breakfast in India today. So, breakfast is correct option. People actually have eggs and bread for breakfast, not lunch, not dinner. Breakfast option is right. Question number 4. This food is usually eaten raw. Rice, nut, meat. Option number B is right. Nut is usually eaten raw. Question number 5. A meal which has rice, dal, vegetables, curd and fruit is a heavy meal, snack, balanced diet. Balanced meal. Which option is right? C option is right. Because balanced meal include different kinds of meal. So option C is right. A meal which has rice, dal, vegetable, curd and fruit is a balanced meal. So option number C is right. Student, in this chapter we have learned and solved exercises of chapter 2nd. Firstly, you have learned all word meaning of this chapter, okay, and all worksheet of this chapter in your fair and CW copy, and you learn also it. Okay, thanks.